Welcome back to the Hair Bar. We're going to do shampoo and conditioner today. So you're going to notice both of these bases are really thick. They're both 100 ml, which is 10 ounces, and each get a ½ ounce of fragrance. And they're 14 or 2 for 25. Or they would get a ¼ ounce of essential oil. So the base is really thick. You can pop this cap off, and you're going to weigh out your 10 ounces. Here it comes. You can pour it with this on it, but it's kind of thick and it might take a little bit. So we got our base. We're going to do our 80-20 Amber White Egyptian Vanilla Mix. So you got a ½ ounce of fragrance here. We're going to mix this up. You don't heat this product, right? This goes right in our glass. We're going to mix it up. Make sure you mix it really well. You want to make sure that the fragrance is evenly dispersed throughout. One thing that you'll notice with this base is it has a little bit of a natural scent to it, which is really awesome. It has argan and pomegranate seed oil in it. So, and then the other thing is, this has a natural preservative in it and no sodium lauryl sulfate. So what that means is normal shampoos have sodium lauryl sulfate in it, and that's the bubbling, that's what makes our shampoo bubble. So this shampoo doesn't have that. Sodium lauryl sulfate is not a natural product. So some people that if you want your hair to grow, if you're going natural, that's going to be a key ingredient that you don't want in your shampoos. So when you wash your hair with this, it's not going to bubble and lather. It's going to be more of like a creamy wash, and you'll see the difference if you try like whatever your regular shampoo is, and then this is a natural shampoo. So no parabens, no sulfates, no sodium lauryl sulfate, even in particular. So for somebody that wants a natural shampoo, this is it. So here we go. We got our shampoo. We're going to get a big funnel, not the small one this time. We're getting a big funnel. You're going to put that in there. You're going to pour almost all your base in, and this is thick. You guys can see how thick it is. This is going to take a little bit longer for you to mix, to get into the bottle, right? So scoop it all out. The funnel will be able to hold all your base. You can see that it's kind of slowly going in now. And then you're going to use your honeycomb, and you're not going to use the tip part here. This is going to be your handle. This is going to act as kind of like a push down. So you're going to take it and you're going to push it down into the container, and this just speeds up the process of making it go down into the bottle. So you can see how much faster this is because I'm just pushing the base in there. We're almost done pushing her in there. Okay, we're done with that. Now we're going to move on to the conditioner. All right. You're going to use your honeycomb with the conditioner as well. So the conditioner we're going to actually heat up a little bit. So you've got your tub. You're going to measure 12 ounces out. I know it's a 100 ml product, but you're going to measure 12 ounces out. And actually with the shampoo, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to do 12 ounces. So I know it says 10 ounces on the container, but it takes 12 ounces. So we're going to measure 12 ounces out. Some of the thicker products, they just hold a little bit more and it takes a little bit more to fill up. So you're going to measure your 12 ounces. We're going to do our ½ ounce of fragrance. All right, so you can see this base is very thick, like our lotion, like as thick as our lotion. Okay, Again, what's so awesome about this is this gets a 1/2 ounce of fragrance. This is a natural conditioner. No sodium lauryl sulfate, no parabens, and there's a lot of other no's too. So there's no sulfates, no parabens, no animal testing. This product is a vegan product, and there's no mineral oil. So these are really important key things to talk about. This is a vegan product, the conditioner, the shampoo as well. So if you want to know what the no's are, they're right here. So no sulfates, no parabens, no animal testing, no vegan, no mineral oil. All right, so we're going to heat this up. And this is a little bit different than our lotion. So we're gonna heat it up, but it won't get as thin as our lotion is gonna get. So this is a light heating, and this is really just to warm it so it slips down the funnel a little bit faster. So we're just gonna let this warm up just for a second there. Okay, it's getting nice and warm. You can see that it kind of gets a little bit milky and creamy, but again, we're not heating it up that much here. It's really not even gonna thin out. And one of the things here is you wanna make sure you don't heat it up too high, because these have natural preservatives in them, and we don't wanna alter the formula here and break the preservatives. So if you make this and you accidentally heat it too much, you're gonna have to start over. So you wanna make sure you definitely don't heat this too hot. Okay, so we're at a point now where this is as warm and as thin as it's gonna get. So you can see that the product is still very, very thick. And you think, oh my gosh, I need to heat it more. If this is a lotion, you'd heat it more. So it seems like, oh my gosh, I need to heat this, I need to heat this. You do not. So you're going to get your big funnel again. You're gonna scoop it all in there. Your big funnel is gonna be the best thing because this is gonna take a little bit to get into the bottle. So you're gonna use your honeycomb again. So this is gonna take a minute, right? Because it's thick, but it's warm, it's not hot. And since it's warm, it's gonna go down in the bottle just a little bit faster because it's just a little bit warm. So it's going now. But you just stir it and punch it. So, see, it's going down. But you're definitely gonna need this to help go down the funnel. If you just set it in the funnel and hope that it goes down, it's gonna take a lot longer. And you don't wanna have the customer waiting, 15 minutes for you to make their conditioner. So you're gonna use the honeycomb to punch this down. And then as it goes, there's just a little bit more that I can add to it. So just prop your honeycomb in there, scrape the rest out. I can't wait for you guys to see all the key ingredients in both of these products. This one also has pomegranate seed oil and argan. So your honeycomb is just punching it. It's getting nice and full now because remember we added 12 ounces instead of 10, even though it says 10 ounces. We want to make sure that it's really full so the customer feels like they're getting, everything. You don't want to short them. So they really, kind of all our products are like that. They get a little bit more than what the bottle says. But now we've punched this and it's ready to go. Wipe it nice for them. Put the cap on. Now, when they use this, the cap is really good, but it streams out. You'll squeeze it hard and it will kind of come in a swirl. But this is a really great conditioner and it's super moisturizing. You'll notice a difference and your hair smells amazing. I used it this morning. apricot peach basil daiquiri. So here we go. That's how you make the conditioner and the shampoo. You'll use the honeycomb and the large funnel, and we can't wait for you to start making.